The Kamu cham, known in English as the spotted grouper, is a fascinating species of fish that inhabits the warm, coastal waters of the Indo-Pacific region. This fish, part of the Serranity family, is widely recognized for its distinctive appearance, characterized by its robust, muscular body and the prominent spots that decorate its otherwise subdued coloration. While its appearance is striking, the Kamu cham is much more than just a visually appealing species. It is an important part of marine ecosystems, playing a significant role in the food web and contributing to the health of coral reefs and other marine environments. The Kamu cham is found in various marine habitats, including coral reefs, rocky bottoms, and seagrass meadows, where it serves as a predator, helping to maintain balance in these ecosystems. As a carnivorous fish, it preys on smaller fish, crustaceans, and other invertebrates, using its sharp teeth and powerful jaws to capture and consume its prey. This predatory behavior makes the Kamu cham a key component of its ecosystem, regulating populations of smaller species and ensuring biodiversity within its habitat. However, like many marine species, the Kamu cham faces significant challenges due to human activities. Overfishing, habitat destruction, and climate change have put increasing pressure on the species, leading to concerns about its long-term sustainability. In this introduction, we will explore the biology, behavior, ecology, and conservation challenges of the Kamu cham, shedding light on its significance within the marine environment and the efforts being made to ensure its continued survival. The Kamu cham is a member of the Serranity family, which includes many well-known predatory fish species such as groupers and bases. This species, also known as the spotted grouper in English, is a medium to large-sized fish that typically grows up to 1 meter, 3.3 feet, in length, although some individuals can exceed this size under optimal conditions. The Kamu cham has a stocky, robust body, which is characteristic of many grouper species. It has a large head and mouth, both of which are adapted for its carnivorous diet. The fish's most defining feature, however, is the series of dark spots that cover its body. These spots vary in size and arrangement, with some groupers having larger, more pronounced spots, while others may have smaller, more scattered markings. The spots are typically dark brown or black and contrast sharply with the lighter background color of the fish, which is often a mix of brown, gray, or pale yellow. The spotted coloration serves a dual purpose. It helps the Kamu cham blend into the rocky or coral reef environments where it resides, providing camouflage from predators and prey alike, and it also helps with communication between individuals of the species, particularly during mating rituals. The Kamu cham is well adapted to its environment, possessing a strong and muscular body that allows it to navigate through complex underwater landscapes. It is an agile predator, capable of making sudden bursts of speed when chasing prey or escaping danger. Its large, powerful jaws and sharp teeth allow it to grasp and hold on to prey, even if that prey is larger or more agile than the grouper itself. The fish's pectoral fins are broad and rounded, which aids in maneuvering through the rocky crevices and coral formations of its habitat. Its dorsal fin is long and slightly spiked, which provides stability when swimming, while its tail fin is forked, allowing for quick propulsion through the water. The Kamu cham's body structure, combined with its coloration, makes it an effective predator and an essential part of the ecosystems it inhabits. Diet-wise, the Kamu cham is a carnivorous species that preys on a variety of smaller marine organisms. Its diet consists primarily of fish, crustaceans, and mollusks, although it will also consume other invertebrates found within its habitat. The Kamu cham is known for its ambush hunting technique. It tends to lie in wait for its prey to approach, often blending seamlessly into its surroundings thanks to its camouflage. When a suitable prey item comes within range, the Kamu cham strikes quickly, using its large mouth and powerful jaws to capture and secure the prey. Its hunting style is effective because of the element of surprise, which allows the grouper to catch prey that may otherwise be too fast or elusive to capture. The fish's sharp teeth and strong jaw muscles allow it to bite down with considerable force, making it capable of subduing even tough-shelled creatures like crabs and lobsters. This ability to prey on a wide variety of organisms makes the Kamu cham an efficient and adaptable predator, capable of thriving in a range of environments. In its role as a top predator, the Kamu-Cham helps regulate the populations of smaller fish and invertebrates, contributing to the overall health and balance of its ecosystem. By feeding on these smaller organisms, it prevents any one species from becoming overly abundant and dominating the ecosystem, which in turn helps to maintain biodiversity. This balance is especially important in coral reef ecosystems, which are home to a wide range of species that rely on each other for survival. The Kamu-Cham's presence as an apex predator helps ensure that the ecosystem remains diverse and resilient, capable of adapting to environmental changes and maintaining its overall stability. The Kamu-Cham is widely distributed across the Indo-Pacific region, where it is found in a variety of marine habitats. Its range extends from the Red Sea and the Arabian Gulf to Southeast Asia, the Philippines, Indonesia, and northern Australia. Within this range, the Kamu-Cham typically inhabits shallow coastal waters, particularly those that feature complex underwater structures like coral reefs, rocky outcrops, and seagrass beds. These habitats provide the grouper with plenty of opportunities for shelter, food, and breeding. The fish is often found at depths ranging from 10 to 50 meters, 33 to 164 feet, although it can be found in deeper waters in some areas. The Kamu-Cham prefers environments that offer a combination of shelter and open space for hunting, making coral reefs and rocky substrates its ideal habitat. These areas are rich in biodiversity, providing the grouper with an abundance of prey and opportunities for survival. Reproduction in the Kamu-Cham is an important aspect of the species' life cycle. Like many other grouper species, the Kamu-Cham is known for its group spawning behavior, where multiple individuals gather at specific sites to release eggs and sperm simultaneously. These spawning aggregations are critical for ensuring that fertilization occurs successfully, as the large numbers of fish increase the chances of fertilizing the eggs. The fertilized eggs develop into larvae, which are carried by ocean currents to different parts of the reef or coastal environment. The survival of these larvae is closely tied to the availability of suitable habitats, such as coral reefs, where they can grow and mature into juvenile fish. The Kamu-Cham reaches sexual maturity at around 3 to 4 years of age, at which point it begins to participate in these spawning aggregations. Despite its important role in marine ecosystems, the Kamu-Cham faces several significant threats. Overfishing is one of the greatest challenges to the species, as it is highly valued in both commercial and recreational fisheries. The Kamu-Cham is often targeted for its firm, white flesh, which is considered a delicacy in many parts of the world. The fish is also sought after by sport fishers, who prize it for its size and strength. Overfishing has led to declines in local populations of the Kamu-Cham, particularly in areas where fishing pressure is high. Because the species has a relatively slow growth rate and reaches sexual maturity later in life, it is particularly vulnerable to overfishing. When populations are depleted, the species struggles to recover, leading to long-term declines in its numbers. Habitat destruction is another significant threat to the Kamu-Cham. Coral reefs, which are essential habitats for the species, are being damaged by a variety of human activities, including coastal development, pollution, and destructive fishing practices. Climate change is also a major concern, as rising sea temperatures and ocean acidification can cause coral reefs to bleach and weaken, making them less suitable for marine species like the Kamu-Cham. Coral reef ecosystems are particularly vulnerable to climate change, and the loss of these vital habitats poses a direct threat to the species' survival. In response to these threats, various conservation efforts are being undertaken to protect the Kamu-Cham and its habitats. Marine Protected Areas, MPAs, have been established in key regions to safeguard important ecosystems and reduce fishing pressures. These protected areas allow fish populations to recover, helping to maintain the health of coral reefs and other marine habitats. Sustainable fishing practices, such as catch limits, fishing bans during spawning seasons, and the use of eco-friendly fishing gear, have also been introduced to prevent overfishing and protect the Kamu-Cham from depletion. Furthermore, habitat restoration efforts, including coral reef restoration projects, are underway to rehabilitate damaged ecosystems and ensure that they remain suitable for marine life. Education and awareness campaigns are also essential in promoting the importance of sustainable practices and the need to protect marine biodiversity. By fostering a greater understanding of the challenges faced by species like the Kamu-Cham, we can work together to ensure that these fish continue to thrive in the oceans for generations to come. In conclusion, the camu-cham, or spotted grouper, is a remarkable species that plays a vital role in marine ecosystems. Its striking appearance, predatory behavior, and importance within the food web make it an essential part of the Indo-Pacific's biodiversity. However, the species faces numerous challenges, including overfishing, habitat destruction, and the impacts of climate change. As we work to address these threats, it is crucial that we continue to promote sustainable practices and protect the habitats that the camu-cham relies on. By doing so, we can help ensure that this fascinating fish species continues to thrive in the oceans for generations to come.